Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to change your location on Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Tinder application and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you ever want to change your location on Tinder application, then first tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. Once you open up your profile, tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down to Location. Tap on your location option and select Add New Location. But remember that you'll need to be under paid subscription for Tinder in order to use the location change feature. Choose your plan and tap Continue if you want to get subscription for Tinder and follow the on-screen prompts. On the next page, you'll be able to change your location on Tinder. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.